Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you had a great vacation. I know I did. I'm really looking forward to getting the second semester started, and I don't know if you remember, but I'm obviously not here today. So you're going to do a derivative matching game, and you'll record the results of that here. And then on the back of this paper is a little bit more practice with the same ideas. You'll be given the graph of a function and have to answer some questions about the derivative, or you'll be given the graph of a derivative and have to answer some questions about the function or sketch the function. I also have a homework assignment for you, which I will explain to you briefly after I go through this, okay? So the way the game works is you're going to get in groups of 4. If you need to, we'll have a couple groups of 3, perhaps. And there's 4 types of cards, a description of a function, a graph of a function, a description of the derivative, and the graph of the derivative. And so the way this game is going to work is each person is responsible for one type of card. So if I have the function description cards and it's my turn to go, I get to lay down any one of my cards that I want. And then it's the job of the rest of the people in the group to find their card that's a match. So this one says this is the graph of a linear function. So if I have the function graph cards, there we go. And then the derivative people would have to match the correct derivative description and the correct derivative graph. So just to make sure we're all clear here, the reason why this constant function is negative is because this graph has a negative slope. And so this one's pretty easy, I think. They get a little bit harder. So anyway, I hope you have fun with this. That's the first part of class today. After you get done making your matches, everybody should go ahead and record them on here. Also make sure you put your name and your group member's name on the top of your page. And then go back and reflect on which one was the easiest one to match up and which one was the hardest one to match up, and answer these 2 questions. After that, don't forget, we've got this page here. And then I have one more thing that I want you to do. I want you to actually read section 8.3 and take some notes on that. So let me grab the book and I'll show you what I want you to do with that, okay? So 8.3 starts here at the bottom of page 369. And the way I'd like you to organize your notes is there's a green table at the end of that section before the problems start. And I want this to go on the top of your notebook page. So just copy that information over. And then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go back and copy down the examples, particularly the solutions. And as you're copying down these solutions, I want you to annotate where each of the steps from this box are occurring. Okay? So you'll label this as step 1. There's my sketch. Okay? You don't have to copy down the text verbatim. You could maybe just paraphrase it shortly. The main information would be to describe what it is you're going to try to maximize or minimize in this particular situation. Okay? So that's what I'd like you to do tonight is study these 2 examples and kind of begin to work with that table. And we'll come in and actually do some problems together in class tomorrow. So I hope you have fun today. I'm really looking forward to getting back into the swing of things, and I hope your vacation was restful and you got all those college apps sent off and everything. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.